How to switch to a demo account in ExpertOption. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. If you are using ExpertOption and want to switch to a demo account, then a demo account lets you practice trading with virtual funds so that you can learn how the platform works without risking real money. First of all, open the ExpertOption app or visit the ExpertOption website and sign into your account. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and create one. Now, after you're inside this main homepage, you will be able to see the real or demo option at the very top. Go ahead and choose Demo from the top of the screen right here. And then under the Account tab, tap on Demo, and you have successfully switched to demo account in ExpertOption. So there you have it. That's how you easily do it. Now you can start practicing trade using the demo account without risking real money. You can switch back to your real account at any time by tapping your real option from the top of the screen. You'll also be provided a virtual fund right above the demo option that you've chosen, which you can use to practice trading. So that's how you switch to a demo account in ExpertOption. It is a great way to practice trading strategies, learn platform features, and build confidence before trading with real funds. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.